What up, Facebook?
Hey, happy Friday.
It's Friday again.
Yes, it is.
Another weekend.
Another weekend.
I got my drink and my two-step.
Okay.
You know. But right now we ain't moving.
Okay. Soon. And very soon we will be.
It's some real nigga shit that be going on in my life. Yes, so I have to go live when real nigga shit happen.
Right. Fuck it.
793. Y'all wanna know where the fuck we at? At the goddamn Riverdale police station. Cause the motherfucking car keeps stopping on us. Thank God it happens at income tax time. Cause we gonna get you fixed, baby. This is the second time we done broke down. Hey, what's up? What's up, Pat? All the way in Charlotte, North Carolina. What's up, nigga from the Queen City? I'm getting my drink on while the car broke down. But I'm chilling. You around my baby daddy? Are you around my baby daddy? Answer me. Tell him this is for him. Don't be thinking I'm an alcoholic, Facebook. It's just shit just be happening when I be drinking. I don't know. Maybe life keeps happening. I don't know.
It does every day.
Every motherfucking day. But
it still goes on though. You know what I'm saying?
I need all y'all to start praying that the car start real quick. On the count of 3, everybody say a prayer and let the car start. Let's see. 1, 2, 3.